see you again. It is Louis from SINOCMP, and today I will introduce our one of hot sale products, PC8 serial monitor. Firstly, this monitor can be applied to many machine models for PC8 serial excavators, such as PC200-8 serial, PC210-8 serial, PC240-MC, PC270-8 serial, and PC220-8 serials. And here's a friendly reminder. Before you place this order to us, please confirm your machine model. It's very important for us to check your program. Secondly, please check this monitor on the hands carefully. This is the LCD, and this is the buttons, which can control the behavior of your excavator. And in the bottom, you can see the part number of the label, and this is a machine model. And also, you can use plug. And if you have any questions,